live in a dream.
First order, we plan to drive.
I live in
Is this tea? Saan ka si Leia? Oh, nagpipicture pang ate mo, girl. Hi guys, good morning. So it's the following day and we're checking out, packing our things, moving to another hotel. For some reasons guys, hindi ko alam bakit itong Fukuoka lahat fully booked. Sabi nga namin, meron bang event like yung mga, ang tawag dito yung car racing sa Singapore, di ba? Minsan may F21 na lahat ng hotels are fully booked. Pero hindi ko alam bakit. So, moving to another hotel, not so far. Yeah, malapit lang naman. But still, the hassle of packing and unpacking and ano mo yan. Pero ganun talaga eh. Sometimes, yung mga trip, hindi mo talaga ma-perfect. Kahit na frequent traveler na kami, marami pa rin kami mga mishaps, no? Sometimes, all the more na parang mas sanay ka na, mas relax ka na, and all the more na marami kang pagkakamali. So, this hotel is so nice. Bago lang. Mami Heidi always loves bagong hotel. Bihira din dito sa Japan na makakita kayo ng twin sharing. Usually, isang bed lang. So, mas maganda sana yung orientation nito. Pero, yun nga, wala na kaming available. And then, when you book this hotel, highly recommended, use my code HeidiCloak for 5% discount. You can use that up to 5 times on all Klook activities, attractions. Lahat-lahat na ng travel-related needs nyo, book it via Klook.
Diba naman yung... Kayo na kumorder? Ano naka-story?
Okay. Alam mo, Mare, parang hindi ka kasya ko sa isang taxi eh. Guys, bago yung salamin ko. Hindi ko alam kung
ayan yung
bagay
yung Blue Elephant. Maganda siya. Yan kasi uso ngayon eh.
Medyo malakihan na.
Oo, tsaka light yung frame. Di ba dati itim-itim?
I know it's malaki kasi yung mukha ko is maliit payat. But this is in. Nakikiuso ang mami, syempre. And this is, you know, Hazel bought this for me. Ayan. This is Blue Elephant. This is transition lens. Magda-darken yan later.
Ah, talaga?
Yeah.
Saan ka nagpagawa?
Always Ideal Vision. Di pa nga nila ako kinukuha, charot. Since na, mamahal kasi mga lens ko. Transition progressive. So,
Magkano yung lens na?
20.
Ay, shit.
Kaya minsan naupuan ko nasira. Ay, wala. Ay, okay na, wala ako. Ganyan. Sakit. Ang mga luggage ng mga lola nyo ay ang lalaki. This one is mine. Leia. Goodbye! Ipupush na namin ang ramen na hindi natuloy kagabi. Guys, we passed through this, I don't know kung restaurant ba siya or what. Talagang dito sa Japan, maglalakad ka ng walang maraming tao. So guys, itong ramen na to na pupuntahan natin is recommended by a local. Kirin Ramen is the name. So let's try.
Oh, here you are, face to face in this trashy bar. Another glass and I am going places, makes me
So ito ang ating orderin, this bestseller. Marami palang mga ramenan in this area. Mukhang okay din. Another ramen. Probably doon pa.
So you were saying, oh no, I don't see the logic of things. It's quite a lonely world that we're living in. Oh baby, you are something special, I'm sure. Everything makes total sense when you're next to me.
Bekto ni Hazel, Mars, ang sarap. Okay guys, story time. Tomorrow, meron kaming pupuntahan in the countryside. So it will take us about 1.5 hours to 2 hours going there. And we plan to drive. And that's why ang mami niya kumuha ng international driving permit. Nayabang ko kasi dapat nag-book na ako in advance ng car rental sa Klook. Pero dinidelay-delay ko. Hanggang ngayon, wala nang SUV. Wala na rin sedan. Ang meron na lang van. Pero medyo mahal na. So, nasa 22,000 something for 3 days na yon. Tapos, may mga insurance na, may mga coverage na, ganyan. Siyempre, importante meron kayong insurance coverage kapag nag-drive kayo, especially abroad, no? Kung mas maaga kayo nakapag-book, mas mababa ang price, no? Pero kung ulad namin last minute, bukas na kami aalis, tapos ngayon ako nag-book, which is also my fault, medyo mataas na. Last time, 18,000 lang to. So, we have no choice but still to book it. First time ko magda-drive abroad, by the way. Well, it's an experience. Sige, push natin to. Kaya natin to. At dahil dyan, ibubook ko na. Nabook na, hindi ko alam, and then suddenly, it's magic.
Ay, gago.
Si Leia po yun, nagsasabi ng bago
Ay, sorry. Grabe naman yun. Agad-agad. Bakit? Sabi sa'yo, ibig sabihin yun, may nakabook na.
Hindi. For some reasons, I don't know. Kung ba nakita na, nationality, or urgent na, or something. Paano na, mag-book tayo ng bago o kaya maghanap lang tayo ng iba dito.
Ano kung meron na yun dito?
Rent a car for tomorrow, the 15th.
15, 13, 14, 15. 3 days.
So more no car.
No car?
Yes.
Punuan na yun, Mare. There is really indeed an event. Still in our hotel, killing the time. Kasi yung check-in namin sa kabila is in an hour pa. So, mas feel namin tumambay dito.
Wala, 3 o'clock na, check-in na.
Si Leia nakatulog na yan dito sa, dito sa dining area. Anyway, so, ako ng
Thank you,
Hindi ako ng something. Danish.
Go lang.
Gusto ko yung feels dito sa Fukuoka. Of
Pala
all, compared to Nagoya, Osaka, Tokyo, parang dito talaga is so peaceful, relaxing, parang ang baga ng buhay, parang ang sarap lang ng hindi magulo. Nice. Sana makapunta dito si Hazel. We're gonna go to mga vintage shopping. Grabe naman tong train station na to. Napaka-linis at napaka-walang utaw. Kahit probinsya na, napakaganda pa din. Ba't ganun? Guys, Suica card accepted. Oh, diba? Blue. Ayan pa yung money ko. Yay! Wow! This is the place if you wanna go to vintage shopping. Here we are. Ito na yung ating vintage shopping number 1. Okay, they close at 8 o'clock.
If I should fall, just go ahead. Go and catch me, baby.
Naka-open lang na ganito, medyo mga rank B na siya. Hindi siya masyadong nice, no? Parang yung mga quality dito, hindi masyadong okay for me. Mas magaganda yung nandun sa Tokyo. Pero yung mga nandito naman sa estante is nice.
Turn it up.
I go anywhere with you.
Uso dito yung mga paganyan na crossing. So pag yan ay nag-green light, lahat sila tatawid. Lahat ng crossing magtatawiran.
Something new, let the old be dead. Let the shadows leave my head. When the world is on your shoulders,
Yan yung sister ko.
I'll be there for you, I'll be there for you. Cause when we are together, I know you feel the tension. Just let me in your head so I can be there for you, there for you. The night is young, won't you sing for me? Won't you sing for me?
Uy, ang
Till
gaan.
we fall asleep. The night is young, won't you sing for me? Won't you sing for me? Till we fall asleep. The night is young.
Thank you. Guys, bagong labas. Collection line daw to.
The night is young.
Medyo maluwag guys yung 7.5 na lumulusot yung paa ko.
We do it on repeat.
Medyo matigas siya kasi ano siya eh. Marcel, leather. Tokyo sold out to. Wala din daw sa Tokyo. Siyempre na naman gagalawin ko sa yellow, Mare. So there's a vintage clothing here. Ayan, ang ating new girl. Oh.
We can spend the night beneath the mistletoe. It's cold out.
Mecca. Ganda ng palda, guys, oh. Yeah. Mga leather jackets. Tea is life, mga mare. Talagang ang tea is merong something, di ba, na nakaka-relax, nakaka-good ng mood. Ayan. Matagal mo namang magagamit yung isang ganito. Only in Fukuoka lang pala itong mga tea na to. Wala sa Tokyo. Dito lang daw. Meron din silang mga dehydrated. Oh. Lemon. And then, meron dito orange. Is this tea? Again? Blend herb. Fruities? This one? Ang bango, guys. Mukhang masarap. Ay, ang sarap. Arigatou gozaimasu. So, this is our hotel, guys. Ayan yung facade. Bongga ng entrance, oh. It's a tall building. Just check in sa aming hotel. Yung bed namin ni Leia, ayan, double. So, kung mamaya magsisiksikan kami dyan. Hindi naman. Medyo iba yung layout nitong hotel namin. Actually, malaki sana siya, pero medyo parang iba yung layout. So, the main door, tapos meron parang foyer dyan. And here, yung toilet. Toilet lang. Tapos, that door leading to lavatory and also shower. Ayan, lavatory. Tapos, may pa-shower dito. And, guess what? May pa-onsen dyan. Open air bath. Hindi ko na kayo dadalhin sa onsen. Pag nag-onsen si Leia, silipin natin. Charot! So, ayun. Lalabas kami to have a late dinner. Di pa kami kumakain. So, gutom ang mami nyo. Let's experience yung yatay dito sa Fukuoka kasi yun yung popular dito. Yatay parang it's a Japanese karinderya style. But even then karinderya, masarap sila syempre. Okay. Thank you.
I don't wanna stay here, no. Ain't gonna keep it low now. If you wanna go, let's go. Let's wrap it up and hit the road. I just got an awesome vibe.
Guys, dito tayo kakain sa yatay. Mga Japanese stalls. Excited na ako. I'm so gutom na gutom. Sa totoo. Wow! Nakukutan ako dito sa yatay na to. Gusto ko dito kumain. Ang mga tinda, puro Japanese ang nakasulat. Wala akong maintindihan. Excuse me. Where's your menu? Thank you. Ito ang kanilang menu. Okay. Hakatarame na naman. Ito, diba? Beef tang. Ayoko niyan. Roast pork. Grilled shark. May papansit.
Sleeping in the back of a van. Roaming in.
Kalahati na ng food namin ako.
Love me or hate me, God knows I made it.
First order.
여기 네 눈이 날 바라보는 눈빛이 이미 다 말해줘.
Chicken. Meat. At saka may balat.
No, no, you just gotta keep up 'cause I ain't got a
Sarap kasi gutom ka.
everyone just wanna get to know ya. 이미 시작된 걸. How do you think I'm sweet? I'm sweet, so sweet. You got stung by honeybee. You just wait and see. How do you think
Itong mga yatay stalls is beside this river. O, diba? Kumakain ka by the river. Tapos dun sa kabilang side ng river, parang mga fine dining naman. So dito mga open air al fresco style. Pero ang downside lang of eating dito sa mga yatay ay sila po ay nag-smoke. So kung di ka smoker, magiging second hand smoker ka. Mostly ang mga tinda, Hakata ramen pa din. Mga yakitori, may mga beer. Kami ang in-order namin ay grilled na mixed chicken, tapos grilled na pork, And then, shiratake. And then, what else?
Lemon sour.
Oh, lemon sour si Leia. By the way, itong river malinis, walang amoy. So we're walking towards Ichiran. Ang sarap ng feels, malamig, at saka hindi na magulo. Medyo magulo dun sa area ng Yatay. Asan to si Leia? Diyos ko po, nagpipicture pang ate mo, girl. Ayan. Kumare, kala ko nadapa ka na.
Ganda ng mood kasi.
Okay, sige. Cute ang Lawson, no? Medyo mahaba. Itong Ichiran Ramen na to, ito yung pinaka-main, which is, yun nga, 12 floors. Ayan. Yung first 2 floors, dining, tapos all others, office na. 24 hours siya open, which is good. Actually, konti lang tong pila na to ngayon. Siguro mga 30 minutes lang ako na.
お前失礼いたします。こちらお待たせいたしました。
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know,
Busog na is May. Well guys, hindi ko naubos. Sobrang busog na ako. Hindi ko na kaya. Ayun si Leia, oh. Nagpapaganda doon, oh. Tingnan nyo, gabing-gabi na nagpapaganda pa siya. Hindi ko alam bakit.